Hey everyone, my name is Rakesh Suryavanshi. You are watching our Cloud School. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this progress bar. How to make a progress bar for your YouTube videos, which will include the title and the overall progress of your videos with the help of Camtasia as in video editing software. Even though if you are not using Camtasia, you can still make use of the process to set up the similar progress bar experience with your choice of video editing software. So let's begin with it. So here I am right now in the Camtasia, where you can see that we have our title bar, which I would like to show during my video. And to make this title bar, first of all, you need to create an image which has this text around it at the bottom. So I have logged into Canva. You can log on to or create an account to Canva. It's a free of course. There are many free options available here on the Canva. First of all, I'm going to click on create design and I'll choose the view YouTube thumbnail. That will open a designer. Here I'll go to the elements section where I'll add the shape so that I can make the bottom layer of the title. I'll drag it here and expand it till the end, and from here I'll be adding or just giving it a proper width and height. Next I'll be adding the text, so I'm going to click on the text option. You can choose the appropriate text which you are interested in. So I like this particular text, so I'll be using this. Let me just delete the part of the text from here. I'm going to make this text as in, let's say, intro, because that is something we would like to have as in first element for our video section. Here is our first element. I'll copy this same element and I'll drag it to the next position. Let's call it as in description. Need to make it a little bit wider. Copy this again, paste it, another duplicate the option. Now here I'm going to select all of these and go to the position just to make sure that positions are aligned. Next we need the vertical bars. So for the vertical bars, again I'm going to add another shape, and then this time with the shape I'm going to make the shape color as in black, and from here I'm going to add these shapes like this here. I'll repeat the same step and add these shapes like here between each of these topics. The titles are ready. Here I can change the background color whichever color I want to. This color, possibly. Overall title for all my videos is ready. I'm going to download this particular image. To download the image, you click on the share on the Camtasia, you click on the download. Make sure you select this option, which is a transparent background, and that is going to download the image on your machine. The image is downloaded. Go back to the Camtasia. I'll be simply deleting this footage, and from this button I'll be importing the media. Let's click on import media and I'll download the image which we have just now created. And this is the image which we have just now created. I'll drag it onto the screen right now, and I'll make or adjust this entire footage to the entire screen like this. So this is your footage right now. Make sure that you have your footage at the beginning like we have it. So I'm going to drag it like here so that we have the footage at the beginning. I'm going to remove the empty track for now just to avoid any confusion, and with that your image is ready on your entire screen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this crop icon and I'm going to crop the image rather than from the entire screen to the position of the screen. Let's make this visible until here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the image and create another part of it. And this, we have two layers now, as you can see. Now this bottom layer which we have, what I'm going to do from the right side, I'm going to decrease the opacity of the bottom layer to, let's say, 25%. If I just want to view the bottom layer, I'm going to disable the track which is at the top, and you can see that my bottom layer looks like this, which is, you can make the opacity something like this. My top layer is basically overshading the bottom layer. So I'm going to now go to the transition or the animation. So let's go to the animation. From the animation section, I'm going to use the custom animation, and from the custom animation I'm going to keep or drag the custom animation to the second track, which is this. Now let's say at the 23rd second my intro is going to be over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and make sure that you have the red icon at the edge of your arrow, and I'm going to drag this to, let's say, here until here, and make sure that you drag your corner of the or starting position of your animation to the start. So this is how it will look. So if I'm going to play this, and next let's say I would like to complete or start my description from here. So I'm going to again add another animation which is going to be starting from, let's say, from here, because until here, let's say 1 minute my introduction is going to be there, and then from 1 minute I'll have the description, and description will be fully visible, let's say at 1 after 11 seconds. So I'm going to drag the animation to the second layer, and this will look like this. So next, let's say your description is going to be up till here. So what you are going to do is I am going to add another layer of your tip section, which is the third section, and it's going to be like this. Play around this as well. This is how it is going to play. So I'm going to repeat the same step for the next. You can copy the animation by right click and then copy, and then paste it by Ctrl V, and with the paste option, let's say I would like to make visible to the last section. And what you can do now is you can add your video clips, add these to make more clearly visible. I can, let's say, add another layer. So I'll go to the annotation, and from here I'll add this bottom layer like this. Going to be, I'm going to make this solid black like this. And now if you look at it, looks pretty cool, isn't it? करने के बट आज के इस वीडियो में हमारा फोकस होगा कैसे हम अपने पर्सनल अकाउंट डिटेल्स का यूज़ करके टेराफॉर्म का ऑथेंटिकेट करें अपने अज़ूर सब्सक्रिप्शन में, और उसमें और अज़ूर सब्सक्रिप्शन में रिसोर्स प्रोविजन करें. मैंने ये डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन make little bit adjustment to these like this. मैंने पिछले वीडियोस में भी दिया है. इनफैक्ट मैं अभी तक जो भी डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन देते आ रहा हूँ अज़ूर रिसोर्स क्रिएट करने के लिए, मैंने अपने पर्सनल अकाउंट डिटेल्स का ही यूज़ किया है टेराफॉर्म को अपने अज़ूर सब्सक्रिप्शन में ऑथेंटिकेट करने के लिए. इन केस आपने वो डिटेल्स मिस कर दी है तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है, अगर आप ये इस प्रोसीजर के बारे में ऑलरेडी. So that is it in this video. I hope you have found this useful and you will be able to make your progress bar along with the title in your own videos. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next video.